Imagine a place forgotten by time, shrouded in mystery, and concealed from prying eyes. Welcome to North Brother Island, an enigmatic destination off the coast of New York City. Unbeknownst to many, this small island holds secrets that the government does not want us to discover. In this exclusive report, we delve into the rare unseen drone images of North Brother Island, exploring its hidden secrets and unraveling the reasons behind the government's decision to keep it off limits. Nestled in the East River, between the Bronx and Rikers Island, North Brother Island remains largely unknown to the public. Once home to Riverside Hospital, a place where contagious diseases were treated, it now stands abandoned, frozen in time. However, it is not just the dilapidated buildings and eerie silence that captivate the imagination. There is more to this secluded island than meets the eye. The hidden secret of North Brother Island lies in its haunting past. In the late 19th century, Riverside Hospital gained notoriety for housing patients afflicted with smallpox, tuberculosis, and other highly contagious diseases. The isolation of the island offered a quarantine zone, protecting the city from the spread of these deadly illnesses. Over the years, Riverside Hospital expanded its services, admitting patients with various medical conditions, including war veterans and drug addicts. However, tragedy struck in 1904 when the General Slocum steamship caught fire near the island, resulting in one of the deadliest maritime disasters in U.S. history. The incident claimed the lives of over 1,000 people, mostly women and children. This catastrophe marked a turning point for North Brother Island, as the hospital's reputation and function began to decline. But why does the government keep North Brother Island hidden from public view? The answer lies in the island's delicate ecological balance and its potential as a sanctuary for wildlife. Over the years, nature has reclaimed this forgotten place, transforming it into a thriving habitat for numerous bird species. It has become a safe haven for migratory birds and a breeding ground for the double-crested cormorant, a beautiful and endangered species. The government's decision to designate North Brother Island as off-limits serves to protect the fragile ecosystem and prevent disturbance to the avian population. Human presence, if allowed, could disrupt the delicate balance and jeopardize the island's newfound role as a sanctuary for these birds. By keeping the island inaccessible, the government ensures the preservation of this unique and valuable ecological niche. Beyond its ecological significance, North Brother Island still holds the echoes of its haunting past. The remnants of Riverside Hospital stand as a somber reminder of the suffering and tragedy that once plagued the island. Exploring its decaying buildings and abandoned corridors evokes a sense of curiosity and fascination. However, safety concerns and the potential for trespassers endangering their lives have prompted the government to enforce strict regulations to deter unauthorized access. It is essential to respect the government's decision to keep North Brother Island off limits. The island's historical significance, ecological value, and potential hazards necessitate its preservation and protection. While our curiosity may tempt us to uncover its secrets firsthand, we must recognize the importance of maintaining the delicate balance between exploration and preservation. So, the next time you gaze across the East River, ponder the mysteries that lie within the depths of North Brother Island. Remember that some secrets are best kept hidden, safeguarded from the intrusive footprints of humanity. And in the tranquil solitude of this forgotten isle, nature reclaims its dominion, and the echoes of the past whisper their untold tales.